Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Y'all watched last week's video, then you would have seen me doing that cold pot wood fire vibes, and my hair was smoky, so I did go ahead and show you guys what I was using to get all the smoke out of my hair. And also my scalp was very itchy, so I had to go ahead and do a clean, thorough outdoor hair wash routine for you guys. And if you have not checked out that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. So today is all about the glow up, it's all about the vibes. So if you want to see more of that, make sure you stay tuned.
I wanna just vibe with you. I know you wanna vibe with me too. Come a little closer. I wanna just vibe.
After the wash, we're gonna have to style this hair, and oh my, I got some heavy shrinkage. Some parts of my hair want cut, and I don't mind cutting my hair. I'm the queen of cutting my hair. I've had some new growth, and I can see that these parts of my hair want to cut. I don't think I'm gonna cut it today. I'm probably gonna save that for the next 2 weeks. I'm basically gonna show you how I style my hair. So we're gonna go in with this coconut and hibiscus frizz free curl move. The style I'm gonna do, guys, is basically like a slick back. I could do like a how to grow your hair video, you know, because I've been growing my hair for the past 2 years or so. Honestly, I'm gonna throw some water on that something, because if that done, I'm gonna just kind of want to stretch it, and it's become so runny and annoying. Usually with my hair, if it's natural, and it kind of in a one transition process now, most of my hair is natural, but on the ends I think it kind of have some relaxed pieces. Them pieces that I'm showing I want to cut off. Yeah, if I relax my hair, it's really thin, but when it's natural, it's really thick. And that's the thing, when it's natural, it's so annoyingly thick that I always feel like I want to relax it. But the truth is, I think I've grown out of the stage of relaxing my hair, because really and truly I don't really think it makes much sense for me, because the only time I really see where it makes sense is if I want to put my hair in like a really slick back pony. I'm kind of learn how to do that nowadays without having to relax my hair. But if I'm being honest, I prefer when my hair is like relaxed and I do a pony outside of when it's natural. I just think it have the look they want me like more. So I probably relax my hair once a year. Probably just once a year. But the type of hair me have, once I get like some jelly night, some good gel, it'll gonna look like a cream, but it's not. It's just, I think I have good hair. People always tell me that, so I'm not tooting my own horn. I think people always tell me that I have good hair, so that's why it kind of always look like something I go and feed. And something that is very essential for me and how I take care of my hair is this. I don't know if I'm gonna still use this. Remember this? This is something I use from me I grew up from childhood days. Like this, I don't underestimate it. I know it might be one of the cheapest products on the market, but this I come from time. If you're a real OG Jamaican, then you definitely know a little pure lean Vaseline is our hair oil is good for hair growth. So may I share some secrets with you now. This is something that is one of my secret to hair growth. Yeah, believe me, it works. Especially when you can take the time for like sit down and braid your hair and then just like put that in the scalp, which I'm not gonna do now, because I don't really have the time for that. But whenever I'm gonna braid up my hair, which my hair is mostly in a braid, because y'all know I'm most of the times I'm wearing wigs. Whenever my hair braid up, I'm gonna take that time and use some hair oil and put it on my scalp. I don't know, I think this is something that helps to grow my hair really good. Wanna see this? Yeah, have the same smell, same everything. Yeah. So when I use now whole heap of things for that look here now, guys, just regular natural things, because it's just a slick back. And I'm giving my hair a break from the last video you guys saw where I was doing the wood side cooking. So you know, so from here the wood fire cooking, or well, cold pot cooking, the smoke and everything is gonna get into the hair. So I just felt like I had to give my hair a good wash. In fact, my hair did want wash from a long time, and the head and shoulder shampoo that I used in the last video, it definitely made my hair feel so squeaky clean. The hair did not scratch me, but me kind of wait for the shampoo to reach before I wash my hair. So after the shampoo came and I used it to wash my hair, my scalp, it just feels so good and nice. So yeah, that is it. You guys, I can kind of tell like my hair is supernatural from the roots. And then I don't know, I may do a big chop. I'm really considering doing a big chop, to be honest, because I don't know, anytime my hair start grow up, I just start get eager for cut it. I don't know why. And I feel like the only reason I haven't cut my hair is because of a promise that I made to my daughter. Like she said she never ever see me grow up my hair to its regular length, and my hair is pretty long if I allow it to grow out. But the truth is, I always cut it, and every time it gets to even this length, I cut it off. So I don't know, I consider one big chop, and probably not like chop everything off, but about this, probably I will cut about this. I'm here kind of longer than as I could have seen when I wash it in the previous video, but of course we as black people, every time we wash our hair it has shrinkage. But I'm probably gonna cut off about 2 inches of my hair and just allow it to start grow fresh. I feel like I need to take off the whole of this, because I feel like them here are probably like the edges of like the pre-relaxed hair. I just need to just take it off and make it go on. Sir Charles, what? Guys, I have a cat right here, so I'm just leave him just a bit nice. So if you hear in that background, it's the cat. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this ORS olive oil oil moisturizing hair lotion. It's infused with castor oil, and it says moisturizes, softens, enhances, shines, help prevent breakage and fringe, and strengthens brittle hair. Me need all of this right now. And if you notice, these products are old school. Olive oil product is an old school brand. If you know, you know. Okay, if you know, you know. And I use about that much. My ear thirsty, don't judge me. My hair is thirsty. Sir Charles, give me that and it smells so good. I don't know if I'm probably say, oh my god, that's so much product for your hair. It's my ear. Me know what's best for me. Alright, and I feel like my hair is thirsty and it needs some moisturizer. It doesn't really feel like I could go for the something and clip off the ends them. I really feel like I could clip off the ends them now, because yeah, I feel like I could clip off the ends them, because what's the point of having them? And I don't know about nobody else, but I know some people have issues with growing the middle of them hair, or the middle of their hair always being picked out. I think my struggle is the back of my hair. You see, if I wear my hair catch up for too long, there goes the back. I don't know if I hair stays so, but I know if I fuck my hair, I can't do too much catch up. Alright, I gotta start root out from the back. Anyways, the strands around them are bother me, so just hold on there. May I go for my scissors? Alright, so it's not gonna be a big cut, because as I say, I'm not try to cut off too much of my hair by myself. And guys, don't try this at home. You can afford to cut off my hair because it's me that you're there for me, but them little strangly dangly are bother me, so I don't think they make sense anyway. And I don't know about anybody else, but anytime you cut off my hair, it grows back really fast. So I could actually cut it off by myself, but I want to get a proper cut, and I don't feel like I can do that on the internet while I'm vlogging. But if it's fully concentrated, to make sure somebody give my ear like a proper cut. So right now it's not like a perfect cut, but I just like I cut off the strangly dangly them where bother me. That's it, nothing much, nothing to it. I can't see it now. Yeah, still seeing some dangly danglies. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Remember, we are black people, we're gonna always try to help ourselves when we can't help ourselves. Yeah. Kill me dead. But I got what trick me. Anyways, let's go. A detangler would be good, but I don't have any. And let's see how hard it is to come out my ear. My hair has been in braids for the past 4 weeks. So, and when I wash my hair, I don't really try to comb it out. Yeah, I really feel like when you wash your hair, it's a good time to kind of stress it with the comb. I brush it out with my fingers, but not really with the comb. Yeah. You can do it when you're detangling with the conditioner, but I'm not really do it too much. But more so comb out my ear after I done, which is kind of hard if you don't have detangler, which I don't have right now. But my hair is not that nappy, so I'll be fine. So now we're gonna style the hair, guys. And as I'm not doing nothing crazy, I'm just doing a slick back. Up here, I can't drop off of the tree. And it's so hard to find the center of my hair. Me one of them girls that when I have no center, no ear center. Trust me. Even when I got hairdresser, it's so hard for them to find the center of my hair. And then I don't expect that this is gonna be perfect. Please. It's not going to be. Let's try to comb my hair if I look like somebody pit me. And I'm one of those persons that has a peak at my hair end, which sometimes I'll cut it off, honestly, but it's there, and sometimes it just makes it so hard for the center of my hair to be straight because of that peak, honestly. But we move. I'm not looking for perfection. I just want to comb my hair. Now I'm feel like a lean-it girl. That not straight. And I use for my ear, not a mirror. And if it give me a problem, guys, I go jump off of the camera. I stand up in the bathroom, use the mirror in the room or in the bathroom, and come back, because I'm about to sit here and struggle with this parting under the camera. Alright, I'm soon come. Alright, guys, I'm kind of fix it a little bit, but not much. But now I make that stress me out. We move. I know most of y'all gonna be like, oh, why is she using gel in her hair and she just washed it? I do that, okay? If you don't, that's on you, but I do, because a girl is black and a girl needs something to slick these hair down. And I can do my hair, don't get me wrong, I can catch up my hair without the gel, but it's just not gonna look as slick as I want it to be. So this is why we're using the gel, and I'm gonna be using the Xtreme gel. Now guys, I kind of changed from the Eco Styler to the Xtreme gel, because nobody could tell me long time so the Xtreme gel better than the Eco Styler. In my opinion, the Xtreme is much better than the Eco Styler. I mean, if it gets a bigger buckle, like how I kind of wear my natural ear, because that not gonna hold me. My ear sucks the gel. But for one, I don't know about nobody else, but whenever I use it, it flakes up my hair. So if I use it, it's like I'm gonna wash my ear now, I feel like I'm not gonna wash my ear again tomorrow, because anytime I use it, my ear just get flaky. If you use the Eco Styler gel and that is a problem that you have with it, let me know. And I'm not saying that the Xtreme gel don't flake up your hair, as well it does. In my opinion, guys, you might see the flakes after a week of using the Xtreme gel, and it's natural that you're gonna see flakes if you're using styling gel in your hair, or stiffening gel, or holding gel, or whatever you want to call it. It's very natural that you're going to get that type of reaction. But my oh my, the Eco Styler gel, and for I don't know, I used to think say it was like the baddest thing in terms of holding my hair down, but then me also realize that Eco Styler gel does not hold my hair in place. Like every time I use it, I'm expect it for like a hold down the frizz parts of my hair. It does not. You just see my ear does a frizz out back. My ear does a frizz out back every single time, and so by accident me end up get the Xtreme gel. And trust me, you want to know, says a man carry my axe to buy the gel, you understand, and them carry this because them couldn't get the Eco Styler gel. And I was like, I don't know this gel, I really don't know what it can do, but true, me never have no choice. I end up use it. From end up use it, I never went back. Because I said, like, why I did have so much faith in the Eco Styler gel and other gel out there where I angle my ear much better. First of all, the Xtreme Hold, it definitely holds my hair. As it says Xtreme Hold, it definitely holds my hair. And it's true, me as a girl we don't like tie down my hair, because see, if me did tie down my hair when we use the Xtreme Hold, after me catch up my hair and I wanna slick it back or whatever, my hair could not last for like 2-3 days. It's true, I don't really like to tie down my hair. I don't like that hold on something there at night time. I'm gonna be using this band, these bands, and I like these little fine ones because I don't know, them fine, but they have a strong hold, and them stretch for them make a body. Honestly, I'm not putting no gel in my ear as yet, and it still look a little bit slick. So really and truly why I use the gel, guys, for these parts of my hair, just feel have a more, you know, yeah, a more slick look. I put on that angle, triangle, dangle, bangle. I want to say a slick back when I get, I mean like a complete slick back, because this is really what I do with my hair when I am not going anywhere. If me I be honest, I don't really do not much. Yeah, and that's why I contemplate to cut off my hair, you know, guys, because really and truly I don't know how to style my natural hair. Alright, so now I can kind of fix the part a little bit better. Now that I kind of have it now a little whole, kind of straighten it up a little bit more. And when I say the little peak, it nah give me the time of day. It just always a bit in my way. I just my little problem that in a life. My ear. Yeah. Yeah, that's that. I think you can get no better than that. So this is what it looks like without the styling gel. And some people like this for themselves, but not me. I'm still that girl. So I have to get the thing slick back and nice. So we're gonna go in with the eco. And the thing about it for me too, I don't really like to use a lot of gel, but my ear do for like one of them relaxing session there. These are girl, I really do the part relaxing type of thing. When me I go in, I just go in and relax my ear one time and done. And me relax my ear, guys, like one time a year. So that I go serve. All I really know when I need a fresh relax, usually by the front of my ear, I like the middle, it just start get really thick. Feel like I'm due for one now. But the reason why I'm not rush it, I always do it when I know I want to try like one ponytail hairstyle. And feel like I want to try one ponytail hairstyle soon, because that fit me real good. So I may relax my hair. I'm gonna relax my ear from last year. We're gonna go in with this stylized comb. You can use these types of combs, or you can use like a tail comb, which I don't have no tail comb here, so girl. Tail comb them there in my Kingston home. So I feel use when you use them type of comb here, you kind of just rake in the ear and just make it fine, like make it just more slick, you know. Yeah. Notice I'm only use one scrunchie. I'm gonna use the next one still, but I set it with that one there, get the ear in order, and then I use the next one for kind of just tighten the grip like at sides. And pull a little bit on the back, because you can't forget the back of my ear sometimes, man. Like I look on the back, I go like at the front of my ear alone. People are gonna look on. I don't understand, so people are gonna look on the back of my ear. So girl, get it together, girl, get it together. I'm gonna see the back. When I can see back, you know, me can't see it. So I can't tell my own thing around there. See it? I'm gonna wrap it up in one bun, because I thought it had a space. Yeah. So now that we use the comb, I'll kind of just rake it in a little. We're gonna add. This is my way, you know, none about that. I can't tell me how to do food when I comments, but this is how me do mine. I'm gonna paste a little bit more of the extreme. Yeah. Angle that, triangle that, not much, just a little. And then we're gonna go back in with the brush and we're gonna, yeah, sink it in. Remember say my ear want cream, you know? It's about a year now, this ear don't get some cream. See it? Still look nice. Yeah. Big up to the good ear girl them. Yeah. Angle that. Even though the other day, guys, I was trying to be a hot girl. When I did see me every minute of the week, I did a glue down my ear, and that's why I'm telling you, I don't like to wear glue on my hair when I wear the wig. I prefer wear some glueless, because I don't believe in my ear front looking like drunk or dry breaks in it. Pick out on them something, no ear front, no, because I'm a girl from time to time, but like angle my natural ear. I want to see my edges them. I want my edges them come down nice and good when I go through them motion. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell a lie, girl. The glue kind of did that eat out my ear front. I'ma see it, I'ma never like it. That was not cute. I don't think that is cute at all. So that's also one of the reasons why I'm giving my hair a break from the wigs. Even though the black wig that I didn't have on, that I kind of like my yard wig, you know. I'm a river wig, and time I go river and beach and them place that them adapt me jump on with, you know. And I can just dry it on my head and dry it off. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, but I'm gonna really have to glue down that wig, even though I do sometimes. But yeah, me more stick to the wig than I'm not for glue down, because I believe in protecting my hair. Okay, period. Now this segment of the video is called making the edges. I'm gonna want nobody judge me over here because I am not a pro at making edges, and worst of all, I don't have none of my edge comb them over here, so you know, say that comb here we have to go use for angle the edges them. All right, I'm gonna know someone gonna say, oh, she put in the ear and then she take it out back. No, look, I'm not gonna get the mirror for that part. I can't trust me, the camera now show me when we need to see in order to make these edges. So I'm just hold on a second there. Yes, back to the business. We're not gonna see me look down for this section of the video because I definitely have to look on what me I do. Yeah, I have to see what me I do. I'm zooming out because you can probably get a better glimpse. We're gonna see now. Yeah, and I don't tell me what to do. Trust me, I have 5,000,001 different ways of how me do my edges. Sometimes I feel like I want to take out the edge before I press it in, and sometimes I press it in and then I take out the edge after. I have 5,000,001 ways of how me skin the cat. Okay guys, so I'm not worry about it. Just know say at the end of the day, no matter which way you do it, it's going to come down the same. The edge I going to make. The only sad part about this is I don't have my edge brush. I kind of need my edge brush for it come out the way I want it to come out, because especially like how my ear want cream right now. Yeah, my ear want cream, girl. So we're not gonna get the best edge look, but we're gonna do what we can do with what we have and make it work. Make it work, so girl. We're gonna make it work, so girl. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of hard to look on camera now. It is. Because I'm having like so much moisturizer. I eat and see the little moisturizer. Can see the little frizzies them in my ear? That is what's telling you guys that I need to relax my ear. But as I say, I'm not relax it till I'm ready for put on the ponytail. Because I got angle ponytail look soon. So I'm going to relax it them time there. And I don't watch the mess. As I say, because I'm putting the moisturizer, that's why it looks so whitey white. When I mix the moisturizer that I just use with the hair gel, this is really what happens. Okay?
I beg me girl, I beg make your man want me. My body green, your body chronic. I beg make your man want me. Pretty like a rose in a garden. That I make man head earth. Bumpa boom like ball. Them know
Alright,
me.
so I believe that's about it. Just I gotta add a little bit more. And that's another reason why I make sure that I relax my hair anytime I'm about to do like a ponytail, because for the life of me these parts won't stay down. They won't stay down. Them I go come back up unless my like tie down my ear. I'm telling her already, me's not that kind of girl. I don't know, I'm not the type of girl that likes to wear bonnets. Neither am I the type of girl that likes to tie my hair. But it's like feel free when me I got my bed. I don't like nothing from my head, I don't like nothing from my body. The only time me like wear bonnet, girl, is when me I go have a shower, I'm have my hairstyle, I don't want to get wet. Other from that, I don't care about the bonnet life. It's just not my thing. But if you've gotten through this portion of the video, guys, make sure someone leave a comment, please. If you enjoyed the video all the way down to this section, just make sure that you go ahead and leave me a comment. I want to see what you have to say. Let me know how you do phone a ponytail or how you do phone a slick back pony within the natural hair. Let me know some of the products that you use or what you think is best. Just comment and let me know. Now let me know one of the pan of my girl is what you want to have to say. Yeah, this is basically what I do. This is just like a natural everyday average look. You know, you got after tree, you got do look at errands, put on my lipstick, I mean my lip gloss, camera. Yeah, the look ain't it without a little lip gloss. Okay, so yeah, just simple easy breezy cover girl. I'm gonna dangle triangle style, you know. Yeah, I just want to show us the girl can rock it natural. I know I started this video looking really busted, but now I look like somebody picked me. Wanna give me a round of applause, man. Yeah, girl fix up herself, girl face look nice and bright, and come through with like a natural slick pony. I'm showing on the back. Yeah. I know, man. I know I like it too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Girl, help your girl. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the year end. That is the goal that we have set for ourselves. So if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the community. Become a part of the Amor Nation gang. You know, all you get over here is real and raw vibes from your girl Alicia Amor. Subscribe to my music platforms as well, guys. Spotify, these are iTunes. All the songs that I play in my videos can be found on my platforms. Alright, Alicia Amor, right through. Links are oftentimes in the description box. But I want to know what you guys have been thinking about my content so far. I've been trying my very best to be consistent, dropping these uploads Sundays at 7 every single week, and I've already made you guys aware that at 10,000 subscribers I will be doing a giveaway. I don't know what me I go go yet, but remember, say girl nice and girl luxurious, so anything me I give away, it I got nice and luxurious. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and help us to grow. You never know, you might be the lucky winner when I'm at that 10,000 subscriber following. Alright, see you guys in my next weekly vlog. Like, comment and subscribe. One big up on yourself, Amor Nation. To my OGs, hey, love you, Amor Nation, and I don't know the vibes.
Every
bye, Amor Nation.
Be a diamond.